yeah, just write it, guys. Just write the structure. Very easy. Keep your losses small and try to scale in big time as soon as you see that the market is moving in your favor. Alright, team. Now let's see what we got for the upcoming week. Yeah, let's start with gold. Let's see what we got on gold. Let's start on the 4-hour chart. So if you can see, we have a clear uptrend, guys. We had this channel where gold was kind of consolidating in that channel, and as soon as it broke out of that channel, clearly we had a great move. So this is one of the breakout patterns that you will learn inside of the course as well. And yeah, we're in uptrend. Price has pulled back a little bit before the before this week ended, the last trading week. Now let's go to the 1-hour chart and see what kind of structure we have to see yeah, where price is bouncing around. And I have this level where price was this is a support level where price was bouncing, and we have this level because it was resistance first, got broken, so this is a support level as well. And as you can see, you can see this clear wick over here. So the price got clearly the level got clearly respected for now. And what we can do now is we can check the smaller time frames and see if we can get some price action here in the right direction. Like I would love to see break of structure on the lower time frame. If you have this bearish structure over here, I want this bearish structure to be broken. Okay, on the 5-minute chart, we had a double bottom over here, and price was clearly breaking this recent high. So now it's moving in a bullish structure, but we have this double top over here as well. So what I would wait for, if you want to get in, if you want to buy this thing, you can wait for price to break above this double top, move your stop below that, and try to ride this thing to the upside. We have a couple of obstacles on the way. These zones over here. This is where you can bank some profits. And yeah, just write it, guys. Just write the structure. Very easy. Keep your losses small and try to scale in big time as soon as you see that the market is moving in your favor. Okay, this is what we do. Yeah, gold is bullish, so yeah, let's see if we can get a nice bullish entry on gold. Okay, see if it goes to higher highs. We will see. What we got on USDCAD, let's check the 4-hour chart. We have this really nice looking bearish trend channel, as you can see. I've marked up a couple of zones where price is bouncing around. Okay, so right now I would say if we can see a nice break of structure, because right now on the smaller time frame, it is a bullish structure over here. Okay, as soon as you see the structure gets broken and price wants to go down, we can start selling this one. Okay, we can sell this one. Or if we see that this trend channel gets clearly broken, we can buy this one. Okay, very easy. Like if it goes above this or this high over here, if it wants to break out of this trend channel, then maybe a new trend channel will come, and maybe we get a bullish move, and then we can buy this thing. But before stepping into the game, don't guess what the price will probably do. Wait for the move and then get in when it's moving, guys. And keep it really simple, okay? Yeah, I don't need to mark up anything. Like, I mean, if you can clearly see that this structure gets broken, like we have a little consolidation over here. So if it wants to go below that, maybe if it wants to break this level, you could sell it with a small stop over here, or you can wait for the break of this level over here. Like this is up to you, man. You need to, at the end of the day, you have to pull the trigger. I cannot do this for you. I can just tell you what I would do, and you need to find your own way. Okay, let's see what we got on US30. As you can see, we had this really nice bullish trend channel. I've marked up a couple of levels over here, and I've marked up a couple of levels on the low time frame as well, because last week I was trading this one on a small time frame. I was right in this. We had this double bottom over here, and then price was breaking out of this. Price was clearly breaking this bearish structure, and then I started buying it, and it just went up big time. So let's see what kind of targets we could aim for. Let's go on the daily. So I have this could be a target at around 28,300, or 28,000 could be a target somewhere around in this area, could be a great target. And the recent highs would be around 29,500, somewhere around here in this area. This could be potential targets where price can shoot up. So, and on the way up, we can make some money on the lower time frames as well. So yeah, I would definitely would try to get a good buy opportunity over here, guys. And let's see what we have. I have a nice bullish structure. Got broken one time, came up again, and now it's moving. So it could be a good entry. Just like if it market opens, you could buy it with a stop above below that. But of course, market could hunt some stops at the opening before shooting up again. So yeah, just be aware of that and see if you can get a nice entry in the bullish structure, guys. Simple. What we got on Usdjpy. Usdjpy on the 4-hour chart looks like a bearish trend channel, and we had like a really nice move over here, came back very strong, then it made another drop but came back again, and now what we have right now, I would say if the price wants to break above this here, then we have some bullish potential, of course. But if the market just tests this level and drop again, and maybe break this level over here to the downside, we can sell this one. Search for good sell entry. Okay, nothing spectacular, really simple. And if you got a good run, scale it up, load it up, make some good money. What's up now? The internet is lagging a little bit. Well, now let's check the Gbpusd. Gbpusd was pushing stronger last week. It's moving in this channel, something like that. And what I would do over here, like I see it is actually moving in a consolidation. So this is, for me, this would be a consolidation. If it breaks below that, we can sell it. But if it wants to, if it respects that level, like it looks like it respects that level, but it's not really taking off. So yeah, let's see what we got on the low time for what kind of structure is like. If it wants to go up, I mean, it is an uptrend. You can try to get a great entry in the uptrend direction, but if it breaks this, if it breaks the support level, the hourly to support level, like if it goes below that, you can sell it. But right now, I will look for a buy entry because it's still an uptrend. It's a big uptrend. But anyways, if it breaks the structure, and we can sell it as well. Like if it wants to continue to the downside, if it breaks below that one or that one, you can sell it on the smaller time frame as well and ride this thing to the downside. Okay, let the market tell you what to do and then react to it, guys. Easy, easy, easy. Of course, it will not work 100% of the time, but if you put the odds in your favor with your risk management, if you know how to scale it up on the good ones, if you know how to cut losses short, then you can make good money. You know that. What we got on the Gbpjpy, bullish trend channel in my eyes. Price was bouncing around at that trend channel a little bit. I've marked up a couple of levels, and right now it is for me bullish market at the moment. For the time frames that I'm trading, it looks bullish. So we have this huge wick rejection, and it looks like it wants to go up, but it's moving inside of this channel. So buying this one, try to ride it to the top as possible, or selling it if it breaks the structure to the downside. Selling it easy, or you can wait for the market to break it, come back, then you can take it. Like you can trade the breakout, you can trade the break and retest, whatever you want. And yeah, just keep it simple, and the rest, the money management and the trade management will do the rest. Okay. And yeah, or you can just buy it like and write it inside of that channel. It is possible. Okay, it is possible. You need to really check it out. Like you have this bearish structure over here, then price got rejected, and now the bullish structure starts. So possible entry points would be like these. You can get in on the breakouts. Like if you see the market, when the market opens and it pushes above that, you can get in, trade the breakout, put your stop below that. Like let's say you do this, yeah, let's just say the market will shoot up, and you will get in around in this area. You will get in around in this area later on, put your stop below that one, right this thing to the top of the trend channel. This would just that one would be a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. Okay, but if you can load it up on the way to the top while moving your stop with a structure, the risk will be less than that. Maybe your position will be twice or 3 times bigger than what you are losing on a normal trade, and maybe you can make like 5 or 10 or 20 times more money on the winning trade than on a losing trade if you play it like a genius. And of course, yeah, you can hold this thing, try to hold it for the breakout to the top, and just keep scaling it up. Like if you trade without a take profit, then you let the market stop you out at your trailing stop. That's all right. Just give it the chance to fill your pocket with a big move, guys. Yeah. What we got on GbpAUD is the last one that I want to talk about. Like you can see this huge bearish move, but now it looks like this bearish structure got clearly broken somewhere around in this area. Now maybe we are in an upcoming bullish trend channel. I've marked it up. I've marked a couple of levels over here that are interesting for me, and you can see that the price was making something like a double bottom over here. Now it's slashing through the bearish structure on, like over here, we had this breakout, now the comeback. Like we have signs of an upcoming bullish move, and what you can do, you can wait for the breakout of this one. Like, let's go to the lower time frame. You can play this one similar as the Gbpjpy. If it breaks above this level, you put your stop somewhere below at the higher low point, wherever it will be. But if the price wants to move in to the upside, we can just take it. Like let's see what we got, and maybe we have a 3-to-1, 4-to-1. I don't know. Depends on where we set our stop. Nice risk reward ratio if you know how to, yeah, if you know how to handle the smaller time frames. Of course, we always take the bigger time frame to see in what kind of market environment we are, and then we go to the lower time frame to really get great entries for the best possible risk reward ratio, and then we load it up on the good ones. And this is what we do, guys. And I hope this video was helpful. It was nice, quick, and easy. And now I'm getting back to your chats, and I hope that you can smash it this week, guys. Set some alerts where you want to get in, or where you want to get notified that there is an opportunity, so you don't need to check the charts all the time. Just use TradingView, make your alert, and that's it, guys. I wish you good luck for this week, and hopefully we can make some good money, and I'm sure we're gonna do. I wish you a great evening. Peace out. Every time